Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great Sunday. I'm here at 1333 Heolu Street, Honolulu, apartment 302 in the Princess Kealoha apartments. This is a 1-bedroom, 1.5 bath unit. Very clean, very well maintained. It's a beautiful kitchen with granite countertops, new cabinets, very beautiful. Comes with a stove, and then there's a washing machine in the kitchen. Has a great floor plan, open space. This is in the Makiki area. Very nice, quiet neighborhood. We walk to the restroom. Okay, this is the guest restroom. So this condo has 1.5 bath. Great open space, 688 square feet, or actually 681 square feet. And then 188 square footage in the lanai. It's quite a big, beautiful lanai. Let me have a look-see. I have to open this door. It has nice shutters that you can have privacy, pull it down for some privacy. And then there's a nice view out here of the area of the mountain. And then here's the dryer, so you can do your washing out here. You can relax, take breakfast, drink coffee, hang out with your friends and family. Here's the 1-bedroom. Nice big open space. A lot of room in here to put a desk. Another reclining chair. And then you also have the door that leads to the lanai from the bedroom, the main, well, the only bedroom, the 1-bedroom. And then this is the vanity. And it's nice walk-in closet, a lot of room, a lot of space. And then here's the restroom, the bathroom. Very big shower. This is good for the bar, is good for helping some guests who may be elderly that needs help that's more secure. It's a beautiful place. You won't find this kind of a price in Makiki for $338,000. Okay, just wanted to share with you and show you around. It does have actually a swimming pool. And it does have parking plus one parking for the owner of the unit. And it's covered parking in the garage. And then there's 5 parking stalls. Okay, aloha. Have a great, wonderful rest of your weekend. Bye.